Hello guys, I'm helping my dad
Wow.
painting the grills and the color is black. I'm so tired, but I want to help my dad. Oh my gosh guys, the paint smells so bad. I hate it. So smelly, I wanna sneeze.
Oh no!
I really wanna sneeze right now. Oh my gosh, ewy. Charot, just kidding. This is how I paint.
Wow.
My dad teach me how to paint. What do you think guys? Is this okay? Tarararan ran ran. Gosh, my hand's so tiring.
Oh no!
Help me guys! Help!
What?
Help! It's okay because I really love painting.
Wow.
Thank you for watching guys. Please follow. Mwah!